Alright, 1, 2,
Greg, pull it out a little bit, okay? What? Out just a little bit. Right there, here it goes. I hate it. It fucking bitch slapped my fat. I hate it.
It bitch slapped my fat.
Alright, hey. What happened to all of them, man? I made it, Greg. Look at all them floaties. Silly salmon with all the floaties from Gregory. Mary, get all them floaties. We're getting out there. I'm hurting, Terry. Greg, get all the fucking inner toes. You do the shit. I can't get them. Dude, he slapped my fucking fat and it hurts. It hurts. Oh, Terry. Mary, get in here, Terry. Mary, get in here. Okay. Hey, we need all them fucking cushions because they put that silly salmon on. Here. We need it. Hey, we need the damn cushions. What?